In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix YouTube videos only playing after refresh. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection or you can switch between networks. Sometimes slow or unstable connections can prevent videos from loading properly. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. Click on three dots. Navigate to the option settings. Now head over to the option privacy and security. Then click on the option site settings. Click on third-party cookies. Click on see all site data and permissions. From here, search for YouTube and delete it. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is check for extensions. Navigate to the option extensions. Disable any browser extensions, especially ad blockers or video-related extensions because they can interfere with YouTube playback. Likewise, check for browser update. Navigate to the option about Chrome. Update the browser to its latest version as outdated browsers can cause compatibility issues with YouTube's new updates. Lastly, if the solution didn't work out for you, you can use YouTube app instead of the browser version. That's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.